Are you looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll explore different methods to earn money from the comfort of your own home. One popular way to make money online is through freelance work. You can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide, whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming. Another option is to start an online business. With the rise of e-commerce, you can sell products or services directly to customers through your own website or platforms like Etsy or Amazon. If you enjoy creating content, becoming a YouTuber or a podcaster can be a great way to monetize your passion. By building an audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Affiliate marketing is also a popular method to make money online. You can promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or referral you generate. For those with expertise in a particular field, online coaching or consulting can be a lucrative option. You can offer personalized guidance and advice to clients through video calls or online courses. If you enjoy writing, you can consider starting a blog or becoming a freelance writer. Many websites and businesses are in need of quality content, and they're willing to pay for it. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate can also be a way to make money online. However, it's important to do thorough research and understand the risks involved. Lastly, you can participate in online surveys, watch videos, or complete microtasks on websites that offer rewards or cash. While it may not make you rich, it can provide some extra income. Remember, making money online requires dedication, effort, and sometimes trial and error. But with the right mindset and persistence, you can find success and financial freedom in the digital world.